we're going to talk about how Vmotion works
Hmm.
in detail.
Okay.
So this is my ESXi host 1. This is my ESXi host 2. Okay.
Okay.
ESXi 1,
It's
ESXi
exact to.
2, go. Now I have a virtual machine here and I want to move this to this host.
Hmm.
And I have a vSwitch here and I have a vSwitch here. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So during virtual machine, what happens? All my VM process only gets migrated here. Okay, but all
Hmm.
my storage is going to stay wherever it is on the VMFS data stores.
Yes, because this is V motion, not SV motion.
Yes, true.
Hmm.
So there are some conditions, that needs to satisfy for vMotion to work. It
Hmm.
should have a common vSwitch name, like the vSwitch name should be similar. It should
Yes.
have the data store should be shared with both ESXi
Shared storage.
hosts,
Yeah.
and the ESXi, the
CPU
CPU.
compatibility
Yes,
should be
CPU
same.
should
Yeah.
be same.
Yeah.
And what else? There are
And
so
there
many
is no,
compatibility. Hmm.
yeah, no VMX file, like
Huh. There is no like CD mount attached to this.
CD
There is
mounted. Yes. Yes.
okay. These things should
And
be
no
satisfied.
permission on VMX file. Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Now these are all some of the basic what do you say?
Hmm. Prerequisites.
Prerequisites or conditions that needs to be satisfied. Okay,
Yes.
let's not worry about this for a while. Now we're
Hmm.
interested in the background operation, how this works. Okay,
Huh. Huh.
I right click and say I want this VM to be moved here.
Okay.
On the background, as soon as I say that vMotion is going to happen, this
Hmm.
ESXi host, okay, it creates something called as a memory dump.
Memory dump. Okay.
Memory dump.
Memory dump. Yeah.
What it has is whatever the process running on this VM,
Hmm.
it is dumped as one of the file inside ESXi host. Okay.
Okay.
It
Hmm.
has everything that this guy is running. It is also called as
Hmm.
dirty memory dump, but the actual technical term is memory dump.
Memory dump.
Okay.
Hmm.
There is something people also call this memory bit lock,
Yeah. Okay.
memory bit lock, memory lock bit. All this is all like layman
Hmm.
terms, but don't worry. The actual term is memory
Hmm.
dump is created.
Hmm. Hmm.
This memory dump is transferred through the vSwitch from this host to this host. Okay.
Okay.
This is created here. Only the
Hmm.
process. Okay.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, this process, what it does here, once it reaches the memory dump reaches the host 2,
Hmm.
this will do something called as a new virtual machine creation. It will create on the background, it will create kind of a new virtual machine
Hmm. In the background, right?
in the
Okay.
background. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now, once this is created fully, once it is like it will have a VMX file, everything,
Hmm. Hmm.
this virtual machine powers off for a minute, like for a split second. It just takes like 1.1.1.1 millisecond. User will not even be aware. This will be powered off. This will be powered on in a very hello, Azhad. Oh, I lost you, man. Yeah, welcome back.
Yeah, I think there's some network issue.
Yeah,
Maybe
yeah, I
I'm
know
thinking.
it's because of my VPN, man. My VPN
Oh,
actually.
oh,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah. Cool.
okay.
Okay, now
So,
listen. So what
hmm,
happens is in a very split second, this VM will go power off, boom,
yes,
and this will be powered on. Okay, this will
hmm,
be running over here on the CSXi host.
okay,
This all happens in like 5 to 10 seconds. You can see there
hmm,
is a ping drop when the VM emotion is happening, there will be a little bit of ping drops.
Milliseconds only, right?
Milliseconds, very, very
Hmm.
less. Memory bitlock
Okay.
is the term most of the interviewer looks for. Memory
Memory bit.
bitlock is the dump of all the current running process of this VM sent through the
Okay.
vSwitch and it's powered on
Hmm.
here. This is a background of how the
Okay.
vMotion actually
Uh,
works.
we can also say the memory dump, right?
Yeah, memory
Memory
dump you
bit.
can say, but most of the people don't understand. You go with memory
Okay.
bitlock. Yeah.
Memory bit log. Okay. So it
Mm.
will create a memory bit log which will pass through the vSwitch and it will go to SXI2 host and it
Yeah.
will power on the VM here
No, no, no. It
and
will create a new VM
it will create a new VM.
and then it will power off this one and then this will
Power
power
of
on.
this VM. Yes, yes. And the
Mm.
milliseconds only the downtime is there, but it
Yes.
will not affect the user. Yeah. Okay. Got it.
Yes,
Got it.
yes, yes. Quickly it will power off here, power on here. So
Hmm.
fast. Mm.
Okay. Now I got it now.
Yeah. Now
All
you can
clear now.
also check in. There are so many videos in YouTube, man. You can check. You can just read for emotion background. Lot of beautiful animations are there. This guy,
Yeah.
he
But
is
your
okay.
explanation is like very awesome,
Cool.
it's very in simple and layman language.
Yeah, man. This is what
That's
happens
why
on
I
the
don't
background.
that's why that's why I don't go to YouTube videos because I just your explanation is very like awesome and
Cool,
very
cool.
concise.
Thanks, man. So let's watch this video quickly. Okay, his animation is good.
Hmm.
So see, he is
Hmm.
having one VM and here has another VM production network.
Hmm.
Memory bitmap. See this one,
Memory bit.
memory
Yes.
bitmap. So what is he
Shared storage
doing?
is yeah.
Uh, he's just showing live. Nothing is moving. I thought he will move this.
That's why I said like I don't believe in YouTube videos.
Uh,
I think you have not played the video.
I did play. I did play. I mean, I
Oh,
was just moving
okay,
here. His head
okay,
is
okay,
shaking here on the bottom.
okay.
Okay, don't worry. You got the process right. What happens on the background?
Hmm.
Yeah, man. Chill.
Okay.
So yeah, I will share this recording if you want.
Yes, yes, yes. Please share this recording.